Alright, welcome to part 2 of this video, because as usual these things take forever to open in that pesky Marco review style. Alright. Wow, okay, so it has a nice, decent cable here. Decent cable indeed. What do we have here? A soldering iron that doesn't completely and horribly look terrible. This looks good. This actually looks good. I've only had horrible ones until now, and hopefully this will actually do a good job. It would be nice if it did. I would be very grateful if this actually worked the way it should. So it's interesting. Has a nice tip. Let's see what else comes in the box. There's a little station thingy here. Ooh, fancy, fancy indeed. With a power button, and this is
Likey.